Open your browser. Type Visual Studio Code. Go to the first link. Click on Download. Then, wait for the file to download. After the download is complete, follow easy installation steps, but make sure that this is checked. Now you have a Visual Studio Code. To create HTML, make folder, right-click on it. Go to Open with Code. After that, right-click and go to New File. Enter any name and add .html. To get HTML body, type exclamation mark and press Enter. Now that you have a HTML, you can go to your folder and open it. If you want to get CSS, type this within the head section. And add another file with .css. In CSS, you can change the look of a web page. But don't forget, you need to save every change with Ctrl+S and refresh the page. To get JavaScript, add this to the bottom of the HTML body. And add another file, but this time with .js. In JavaScript, you can also change the look of a web page, as well as its functionality. And that's it. Now you have a Visual Studio Code with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. This is my first video, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel.